So yeah guys, I bought this lot of phones. You got 10 iPhone 5Cs. Let's go ahead and unbox them. I have them all right here. I have a couple of screens to test with them. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got. So you got lot 58. It's one of the lots I bought because the guy sells multiple lots. Thank you for your purchase. Here's all the phones right here. Oh wow, that's a lot more than I thought. Go ahead and get these all out. This box inside. First one that we got right here. It's a green one with the motherboard out of it. It says it's a 16 GB AT&T. I don't know what the red sticker means. They took the motherboard out of it, so I don't know. Next one, this is a blue one, 16 GB. I don't know. It says Verizon, but I don't know. Can't data wipe. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Here's a pink one. The motherboard's out of this one too. The nice thing is they included all the parts. This is an AT&T 32 GB. Here's another yellow one. It is a AT&T 5C 16 GB. That one has the motherboard inside. Here's a pink one with the motherboard outside. Bunch of parts, stuff like that. 16 GB AT&T with the motherboard outside of it. I don't know why they did that. Here is another pink one. Wow. Another pink one. This one is a 16 GB AT&T. You got a white one. These are all in really nice condition. AT&T 16 GB. This one has the motherboard inside. Here's another yellow one. It's a lot of yellow ones. I've never seen so many. 5C 16 GB AT&T. We got another white one right here. 16 GB AT&T. This one's a little beat up. Got some scratches on it. And then last but not least, we have this yellow iPhone 5C that's outside the package. It looks really nice, but if you look at it right there, looks like there is a water damage sticker that is indicated, which is not a good sign. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's start testing these. I have a couple batteries to test with here, and a couple screens. And yeah, let's see which ones work out of this lot. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. I have everything right here on my desk. I have a test 5C battery, and I have a test screen right here. Since none of these have come with a screen, I have all the phones on the bottom near me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This is the one with no name or anything on it. So this is going to be the mystery phone. At first exam, it looks pretty nice. I don't really see any signs of water, which is good. Except right there, there's some liquid damage. Right there, it's like kind of spots of liquid damage. So I don't know what's up with that, because look, down here, that indicator's not red, but this one is. So I don't know if they just dropped some liquid on it or what. So this one has the battery plate on it. They have no parts or anything in this. I'll go ahead and check the box real quick, and I'll see if I could find any parts, because this bag was open. Okay guys, yeah, I couldn't find any parts for this So I guess the battery door is the only thing we get. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I got a bigger screwdriver. Okay, there we go. Screws out. Let's go ahead and unplug this battery. Power button's not very good. Okay, I think the power button's broken on this one. Unless this battery's just dead. I think the power button is broken on this. Let's go ahead and plug this battery in, just in case this one might be dead. Yeah, nothing's showing up. So this one I'll put to the side, and I'll test later on the charger. Let's go ahead and get started on the other one. Alright guys, I have the next one right here. It's this white iPhone 5C, 16 gigabyte AT&T. Go ahead and check it out. Let's test this one out. Here's one of the parts for it. There's the battery door. Here is the shoot, I can't think right now. The screen plate, you got all the screws in here. The little Penelope screws for the bottom too. Looks like he took apart the bottom of this, but I'm not too sure. There's screws falling out everywhere. There's a bunch of screws for the bottom. So yeah, he took this whole charging port out, looks like. Yeah, this is all unscrewed. Those are all the screws right there. Looks like he just put it on the speaker thing. Alright, the next phone I have is a 16 gigabyte AT&T iPhone 5C in white. Looks like this one also has all the pieces, which is good. This one also still has the battery plugged in. So let's just go ahead and put the screen on and see if anything happens. Alright guys, next phone we have is a pink iPhone 5C, 16 gigabyte AT&T. This one looks like it has all the parts too. I went ahead and also grabbed a, I think, hopefully charged battery. So that should help us. Looks like we got all the parts right here. It's pretty nice looking inside. This is a really nice mint condition phone. Way better than the one I actually have. So yeah, let's go ahead, connect the screen up, and we'll test it out. This battery looks different. We'll test it with the battery that's already in here, and then we'll put that one in there too, if it's not working. Alright. Nothing. Let's go ahead. Alright, we're on the setup screen. think it just died. Alright, so this one's on the setup screen. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the regular battery. Actually no, I have a battery charging right now, so after that's done charging, we'll make sure to definitely test this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one to the side, and let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, I got some good news. I found another screen. This screen's in mint condition. So yeah, next phone I have is supposedly a Verizon, but he hasn't marked out, so I don't know. Verizon iPhone 5C 16GB in blue. It says right here, can't data wipe, so I don't know what that's supposed to mean. It's in really nice condition, apart from a couple scratches. It's just grind. I got all the parts right here. Let's go ahead, connect the screen up, see if the battery has any juice. Go ahead and take the battery off. Or what I think this one might be dead. I haven't right now, but this one is only lost. Alright, let's try this one out real quick. Alright guys, that last phone was iCloud locked, sadly, so we'll go ahead and get on to the next one. We have right here a 32GB iPhone 5C in pink with the motherboard removed out of it. Let's go ahead and see if we can turn it on. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Let's go, baby. Alright, I'll cut it back when this turns on. Alright guys, it's on the setup screen. Let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, Wi-Fi. Oh, it just turned off. I think it's because it's this battery. I'm gonna plug it into the wall. I'll report back once I set it up. Give me a sec, I'll put this on the charger, I'll be back. Alright, here's the final one. Let's go ahead and finish this up.